How to find birthday privacy settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner. After that scroll all the way down. After that click the 3 points and then click edit profile and then scroll down, click profile and here click here is it birthday, show my birthday. Here you can manage your birthday privacy, you can manage who can see your birthday, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.